everyone, it's Colleen from Therapy Spark. Today I want to talk about the importance of having a really solid sit-to-stand program in your rehab practice. We do this movement all the time, getting out of bed, getting into the car, sitting down for a meal, the list goes on. It's especially critical for our elderly clients because if they aren't stable or confident in this movement, they can be at huge risk for falling. A lot of times we see our seniors trying to get up out of a chair using their arms. They'll push off the arms of the chair. I hate to see this happen because it's just not stable and it could lead to a fall later on. Especially when you consider that, number one, this movement is so common they won't always have something to push off of, and number two, ultimately it means that they're not addressing the underlying issue of weak lower extremities and balance that can lead to even more issues. And that's my soapbox about using your arms to get out of a chair. So here's what you can do about it for your clients. In a previous video, we showed you how to do a sit-to-stand with the Primus, and this use of the cable system always surprises people, so I'm going to explain how it works a little further. Basically, we have a controlled cable system attached to a secure strap that goes around the top of the client's legs. You have the client begin seated, and when the client starts trying to stand up, the cable is going to lift for them, pulling them up. So they're still doing the same sit-to-stand movement, but they're actually only working with a fraction of their body weight. And on the way back down, it's the same thing. The system is actively assisting them through the entire range. If you've ever done a creative exercise for sit-to-stand or stand-to-sit, I'd love to hear about how you do it. Drop me a comment below on your favorite sit-to-stand exercise, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more rehab content.